The last spree was really amazing. And I was really happy with that spree. In my last spree, I was having Italy. And it was a really nice experience in my perspective. It's really a kind of endurance. It's walking between so many people. I'm really amazed. Like sometimes I'm really frightened and scared of the crowd. Anyway, in my spree, I will have a Mumbai famous vada pav. That's what I'm looking for. I'm rambling here and there. There was a famous vada pav joint. And the same near the CST station. To reach to my destination, this time I will take a metro. Last time I took a bus. It was a good experience also. But this time, I inspired myself to get a metro. That's a really kind of insanity when the metro is so convenient and people suggest to take the bus. You know what I'm saying? People used to give some kind of rational advice to the people who don't know, who are new in the city and don't know about the city. This kind of pretty situation arises during the traveling. When you are traveling and you are not getting the right information about the transportation and all that kind of stuff. Although the taxi is not expensive, but yet the bus ride and the train ride is really comfortable. Most of the time, you will find the stoic people, like they don't respond well, but this is the kind of out of situation where you keep asking the address and you will not get one. I'm not that kind of guy who just rely on one kind of information and proceed. So I just keep reciting my things to the multiple people so that I can get a right information about it. You know what I'm saying? My intuition is convey the people to help the tourists who live in the city with the address, with the transportation. You know what I'm saying? I will get my metro right there. Yeah. Hopefully, the metro ride will be convenient. The metro is always convenient in my perception. What I am contemplating is, if the bus fare is of 12 rupees, how much will be the metro? That's a really a nice thing to know about it. I think it's just a one stop. Oh my God. The guy is cleaning out the street. It's a nice thing. I really like the cleanliness. So I'm here again at the Hutatma Chowk. Hutatma Chowk metro station right there. Aqua line. Again, for my next food spree in Mumbai or the vada pav. As this is a kind of situation, a kind of a forethought. How much time it will take, what will be the fare, and all that kind of stuff. And exactly, I don't know where is the entry. Are they like there? This is a kind of goosey situation. I think I have been told of shooting inside the metro. I understand it for the security reasons, but what I reckon, they are like very conscious about it. Not to shoot inside the metro. Exactly. There's a Vada Pav center behind me. I can understand. I have been told while I was shooting inside the metro, that's for the security reasons. I have to remove all my microphones and all that stuff. Means I have only one microphone, mounting right there. So that's a good thing. Yeah, that's, you can see behind me. That's the Vada Pav center right there. And it's very famous, And for that, and for this reason, I'm here. The accomplishment has been done. It's quite hot here in Mumbai. It's like 10 a.m. in the morning, and it's too hot. Now, you know what I'm saying? That doesn't seem to be so relevant. In Delhi, it was very cold. Like, but in Mumbai, it's damn hot. Not even subtle kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? Vada Pav, 8 out of 10. I will say 7.5 out of 10. You know what? The Vada Pav, like 7.5 out of 10. That's what I want to say. It was quite spicy. My mouth is still burning. You know what I'm saying? I was not expecting that kind of spice inside this Vada Pav. But maybe the people are taking advantage and leveraging their spiciness. And you know what I'm saying? So I'm pretending that I'm okay. But in general, I'm not okay. It was too spicy. And that kind of situation is really inevitable when you're having this kind of, spicy food stuff. Right here. It was really spicy. There are lots of traffic was around me. And I'm really close to my hostel. I just want to go have some sweet. In my last vlog, when you check, I was having idli. And that idli was 10 out of 10. Really, please believe me. And what I reckon, this kind of thing, it was quite cheap though. This kind of thing provides sustenance for the lower income crowd. I also come from the lower income crowd for providing a good sustenance in their day-to-day life. Yeah. So what I reckon, in my last food spree, the idli was really nice. And I was really happy to have that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I see I'm lost. I think this is enough for this vlog. I'm really feeling, my mouth is boiling. And I have to get some sweet. See you into the next vlog. Until then, bye.